What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rusty Wrench Repair. We're on location today. I'm over at my buddy's house. We're gonna weld this plate on the front of his four-wheeler right in here, just to mount a winch to, small winch for him, so he can do things around the farm, or if he gets stuck on an anthill or something, he'll be able to winch off of it. So I'm Rusty Wrench Mobile Repair today. So we're gonna get this metal cleaned up and get her burned on. Oh man! Carburetors on the couple one. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this metal cleaned up, get the paint off of it, so we got something clean to weld to. Starting to hear some thunder and lightning too, so it seems like there might be a storm rolling in. Maybe we could just get God to weld this on with some lightning. Dear God, this is Margaret. Weld my plate on my four-wheeler, please. Did you want to try to weld those rollers, the roller on?
The one up front?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have to go get that cutoff wheel. I would just cut right here. You know what I mean? That way you don't lose. Just cut straight across.
That's what I was thinking.
And then we'll just weld it. Yeah. Just make this square across here. Put it right in there. Just see if we can sneak up on some chickens. Yeah, chicken, 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 chicken. They gone. So last time I was here, I ran one of these over. It was over here-ish. So now when I come over, he always tells me she's gonna get me red cones, because this is, I keep my trailer over here when I'm not really using it. So sorry, Melissa. Hey, I'm sorry I ran over your sunflower. That's what he said. Figured I'd get some chickens. Big beautiful coop he built right here, all by himself. Look how nice this is. I asked him if I could come live here. My house ain't even this nice. I'm gonna stack some dirty flux core dimes. Ouch! Hots in the shoe don't feel good. It's not funny. Damn chickens are laughing at me. Oh, I burnt through. What?
Fly bit.
We're just not going to look at that part of it. Before I burn a hole in the bar. There's a little bit of a gap there, but don't worry. We can hop a gap. Let's clean it off and see what it looks like. Yeah, it ain't the greatest, but hell, it's the first time I've welded with flux core in probably 10 years. So I'll take that as a win. Don't look terrible. It's solid. All right. Alright guys, so here and throughout the rest of the video, my microphone apparently died, and this is the first time I was using a microphone, so I had no idea, didn't even think about it, but you can see here I'm welding the other side of this plate. I'm actually going to speed this up. This side turned out really good too. You can't really tell it at the distance we're at, and he shined a light on it, thinking that might help, which was my idea, and it didn't. It actually kind of made it glare so that you couldn't see them, but they actually turned out pretty well, pretty nice. I was surprised, especially with this welder. I figured they would be really just nasty looking, bubbly, popping, you know, but turned out really nice. I was pleasantly surprised. He's very excited too to have it done, so I start talking at the end of this clip. I have no idea what about. I think, at least at first, I have no idea what I was talking about. I know at the very end I started talking about the welder a little bit, and you can get it. This one he got from Harbor Freight for like 75 bucks. Definitely worth it. That was 3/16 steel, and I think the penetration that got, I'd probably venture to say you could probably weld 1/4 inch with it okay. So here we're getting ready to mount the fairlead on for the winch. You just got a roller fairlead, or whatever you call them, I guess, whatever. Here I cut the front decorative dimple die plate, whatever it is, off the bumper here. Just the center there, we cut it square where we're going to weld the fairlead on, and we probably could have made a plate and bolted it to the plate and welded the plate on there, but he was cool with just welding the fairlead on there. He said it was a cheap Harbor Freight winch, so he didn't really care. Hindsight being 2020, I probably should have taken the rollers out of the fairlead first, because I'm sure those bearings got a little hot and the grease got a little hot in there, but oh well. Didn't hurt nothing. They were still rolling when I was done. So he tested it out today, or no, yesterday. I'm sorry, Thursday. Today's Friday. We did this Wednesday, but he mounted it all up and rough wired it and tried it out. Said it worked really good. I didn't mount anything or mount the winch on or anything. He wanted to do all that, so I was just there for the welding and the destruction of everything. So yeah, it came out pretty decent. Now I'm getting ready to weld the fairlead on. We got the surface all, sort of prepped, whatever. So I get it welded on there. It came out pretty nice. It was actually straight, which I was surprised, because every time I do something, especially when it's permanent, it's never freaking straight. But he was happy with it. Turned out nice. I'll put some pictures or some of the finished product, or after he gets it all painted and gets the winch mounted on there and gets everything working. I'll put some pictures on there on my community tab or community. I'm still learning how this YouTube thing works, so I'll put some pictures on there if you guys want to see the end product. Anyways, so I appreciate your guys' support. I appreciate you guys watching, the views, all the subscribers. We just recently hit 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, so I was finally able to get monetized, which I'm so thankful for. And I just want to keep growing, keep getting you guys videos. I feel like I'm getting better at this. Leave me a comment down in the comment box if there's something you think I need to work on, or something I can get better at. I'm constantly evolving and learning and trying different things. Again, I'm sorry about the audio in this video. I got to be more aware of my microphone and what my microphones and what they're doing. But it'll get better as we go on here. Again, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.